Welcome to the Labor Plan. To create a labor plan. The Labor Plan list page helps manage and maintain labor standards for departments within a selected property. Users can view, create, and update labor plans, define staffing requirements, labor hours, rates, and effective date ranges for job positions. Labor plans can be filtered by department for easier management. Each record displays the position, labor plan name, plan type, fixed or variable, standard notes, labor rate, effective dates, and action options to edit, duplicate, or delete plans. Additional features include adding new labor standards, switching between properties, and enabling or disabling labor planning with the active or inactive toggle. This page helps organizations standardize workforce planning, control labor costs, and efficiently manage staffing rules across multiple properties. The Labor Standard Editor page is used to create and configure labor standards for a selected department and position. Standards can be defined as fixed or variable, depending on whether staffing needs remain constant or change based on business activity. Start by selecting the department and position. In Step 1, set the standard hours that determine how labor is calculated for the role. For a fixed labor standard, select No, it is fixed when hours remain consistent regardless of workload. Choose the employee type, salaried or hourly, and enter the standard hours per day. These hours will automatically apply across all days of the week. If different hours are needed for specific days, use the Customize Standard Hours by Day of Week option to define day-wise settings. This is ideal for roles with predictable staffing patterns. When selecting Yes, it is variable, labor hours are adjusted based on operational demand or business activity. Choose a calculation type, regular for standard variable labor logic, or housekeeping for housekeeping-specific operations. Then select a performance metric such as occupancy percentage or other configured business drivers. Define labor tiers by setting minimum and maximum percentage ranges along with assigned daily hours or minutes. For example, lower occupancy requires fewer hours, while higher occupancy increases staffing levels. You can add multiple tiers and optionally customize standard hours by day of the week. Tier ranges must remain continuous, and if values exceed the highest tier, the system will apply the final tier's labor settings. In Step 2, set the standard wage per hour, with an option to view or autofill the current average wage. In Step 3, define the effective dates by selecting a start date and optionally enabling no end date for continuous use. In Step 4, add optional notes such as seasonal adjustments or operational instructions. Finally, save or cancel the labor standard. This page helps administrators create standardized labor rules that support accurate staffing forecasts and labor cost planning across departments.